Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can rename your repository on GitHub. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to rename your repository on GitHub, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to open the repository you want to rename. You can find all your GitHub repository right here. So just select the one you want to rename. And after that, you will now be on your repository. So now that you've opened your repository, next, I want you to go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, I want you to make sure that you are on the General section. So here on the General section of your settings, you will now be able to see your repository name just at the top, so you can now change the repository name to whatever you like. And after changing the name, you can now click the Rename button to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your GitHub repository name will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.